Wow. Yes, Jianming, you're number one. You're really fast, man. Ian, Sunny, and Quartz. Quartz, yeah, also very fast. Wow, you guys are faster than me. I haven't even pressed start yet. You're already in already. That's amazing, man. Good evening, everybody. The stock market is having a lot of volatility and it's actually quite scary for some of you guys. I understand. I'm getting a lot of messages right now. So I thought, instead of me dealing one by one, I myself come on live stream and tell everybody. Okay. Yeah. Very good evening to everybody. Come in, give a thumbs up. Okay. And then we are good to go. Okay. Very good evening to everybody. Yes. Thank you, Jianming. Okay. Wei Jian, good to see you. NG, good to see you. So NG, yours is done now. I opened up the Saturday class specially for you. I just want to make sure you get it, okay? And Richard, Chili, Alex, okay. James, good to see you. Desmond, Yuk Ching, okay. Dave, good to see you. Jason, Harvey, Mark, good to see all of you guys, okay? Yeah, I just finished my class for Retire with Confidence, and there I teach people how to achieve $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 retirement income. And I just finished a class. It was a great class, and I always enjoy teaching everybody on that one. But today I want to talk about the stock market, because stock market right now is having a lot of yo-yo, and it's a yo-yo going downwards. Okay, every night, like watching drama, see stock up and down, see up and down. Yes, Charlene, good evening to you too. Charlene, thanks for your news on the car on the BYD. Thank you so much. Okay, Jalat Times is okay. I'm so energetic. Yeah, I got I got power of ginseng. Okay, I'm the living living testimony to the power of my ginseng. Yes. Oh, Kiwi, you just finished the course. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, thank you. Everybody come in right now, give a blast of thumbs up, and then we'll start. Okay, I'll give you 1 more minute, everybody. No, I'm not buying BYD. I'm thinking of getting a hybrid car from Toyota called Cross. It's a parallel import, I think. Yeah, so yes. So okay, I don't look at individual stock. So a lot of you like to buy individual stock. Yeah, so I don't look at them quite a lot. Okay, while you guys are coming in, I'm gonna, given that I'm way younger than you. I'm tired already because I got 2 pills in the morning, battery for a whole day. No kidding you. Okay, you don't believe, you ask some of the people here, they also take it. Okay, so I want to quickly talk about the market right now. The market right now is in a very interesting situation. So let me give you my take. Okay, so let's start now. I got no time to waste because it's also getting late for everybody, and later I want to do a walk. So today I already hit 15,800 points. Okay, not I like generally I like to hit. Sorry, this is me howling a little bit. Okay, so not I already hit 15,800 points. I want to hit 17,000, but I really got to have time. So I'll just settle with 15,800 points first. Okay. Yeah, I heartache. I sold Singtel share at 420. How you learn not to harp on it? Later we talk about this. Okay. So let's still walk. Yeah. So every day I will walk 15,000 steps without fail. Okay. Yes. So let's talk about the stock market right now, shall we? Okay. And here we go. All right. Where is my slides? Okay, and here we go. All right. Can you all see my slides? I just want to make sure everybody can see my slides. Just give me a minute, guys. I'll just make sure everybody can get to see my slides before I start presenting and nobody can see it. All right. Okay. All right, good. Okay, and my watch is Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Not that expensive, $300+. So the market, I use the market is softening right now. It's not crashing, but it's worrying for quite a lot of people, I understand. So there is quite a lot of panic. Okay, so global equities has been flashing red, and I think a lot of people are getting worried. So I think it's important that I quickly highlight what are the issues behind, and I give you an assessment whether is it serious or not serious. How about that? As usual, this is not financial advice, and this is just my financial education, for education, entertainment, and let's go. Okay, so right now, actually, what we should do is quickly look at the stock market right now. The stock market right now is, okay, S&P 500. The S&P 500, oh, it's recovered quite a lot. Just like went down. You know what happened later? You will come down again and go up, come down again, go up, come down again, go up, right? Scare the hell out of everybody. Then the Nasdaq, the Nasdaq has went up again. Wow, almost break even already. Okay, TLT, TLT stock price. Okay, alamak, dropped down by a little bit, but it's okay. But I think what is interesting is the S&P 500. Okay, over the last 5 days is like that. Of course, everybody worried, right? I can understand. Okay, I can understand it's gone down by quite a lot. Then the question is, can you still hit my magic 7,000 points by end of the year? Well, imagine they were saying that you hit 7,500 at Tom Lee. I don't know. Okay, yeah. So let me give you my assessment right now. Okay, and let's go. There are two main reasons why the market is softening. The first reason is that the AI mania is encountering a reality check. So a lot of the market right now is asking whether this hundreds of billions of dollars that is spent by all these companies, for example, Oracle, spend hundreds of billions of dollars in data center, and then we have got NVIDIA chips being spent on, and then we have got OpenAI spending so much money. Everyone is spending so much money. Are you sure you will pay? You will pay back every query you make, whether you pay or not pay for ChatGPT. Okay, OpenAI lose money. So that's, I think, the key thing. And there is sector rotation. A lot of them are getting worried about high valuation AI stocks, and now they are trying to shift over to the lower beta sectors. That means those that are not so correlated with the market. And of course, there is some short-term profit taking as well. So the question really is, what does this mean for all of us? So the market is softening. Now, there is another main reason, and I think this is probably the bigger reason why the stock market is going down, is because the probability of a December rate cut that is viewed by the market experts right now is down to 50%. Okay, so if you go to a website called CME FedWatch, okay, CME FedWatch, the CME FedWatch give you the prediction, okay, the market prediction of the stock of the interest rate. So the interest rate now is predicting, this is where we are right now. So half. So 50% believe that there will be no rate cut, 50% there will be rate cut. So that's quite miserable for them. So it's sad, right? Let's take a look at the January number. January is also 50%. The market is just damn sian. Yeah, okay. That they don't think that there will be a December rate cut. Okay. So if there's a December rate cut, good. If there's no December rate cut, then yeah, that would not be good for the stock market. So they are now pricing in half, and the market is reacting and just say that, like that, I sian really, right? So it triggered this recalibration triggered tonight's fall. We now have a recovery, but stock market is worse than the mood of my cat. Sometimes high, sometimes low, or whatsoever. Okay, I don't talk about some sexist remark, but I'm just saying that it is 1 month ago is 95%. 95% possibility of rate cut. Now it's down to 50%. Of course, there's an impact. Now, over the last 1 week or so, this is a stock market movement. S&P 500 went down by this number of percent, and then Nasdaq also went down by this number of percent, 2%, 1%, and actually, this is what I think is a healthy breather. A healthy breather. A stock market cannot go up non-stop. If you go up non-stop without a pullback, it's not a very healthy sign. Okay. Now I want to share with you this very interesting analogy. Now this analogy is quite interesting. So how many of you have done fishing before? Okay. So if you have a fishing line, when you fight a fish, right? You fight a fish, you gotta let the let's say a fish bite, okay, and then run, right? you must let the line go. Zzz. Now, as the line pull and pull and pull and pull, the fish get more and more tired until no strength. Then you quickly reel it back, and the fish gets strong again and run again, and you let it run a little bit, then you tie it out and then reel back. So this, this action, okay, and gradually you can bring up the fish, okay. All fishermen will understand this. So the stock market is the same, right? It goes down and goes up and goes up. In the process of going up, if it goes too fast, the market will break, right? So you must let it have some breather, have some breather. So whenever it sees a breather, we should think that the market is at a part where the line actually get pulled. Then you slowly wind back. So that's why I want to give you all this analogy. Relax, okay? Relax, yeah, relax. I don't think that is worth panicking. I'm more worried. I'm more worried about bigger issues in life. Like recently, I put on 2 kilogram of weight. Wow, desperately trying to burn it off. To put on weight very easy. To reduce weight now is teeth pulling, man. That kind of thing disturb me more than this kind of market. Okay, but I'm just trying to tell you guys that. Oh, sorry, I forgot to project. Give me a minute. Okay. Oops. I forgot to share the slides. Okay. Wait. Okay, and let's go back to the slides. Okay. All right. Okay. So let me tell you why you all shouldn't be too worried. Number one is there is no recession shock right now. I don't see any recession shock. There are no major earnings collapse. A lot of companies still making a hell of money. There are no banking issues. There's no geopolitical risk. Maybe a little bit between Cambodia and Thailand. Okay, that is not going to disturb anything on US stock market. There's no liquidity crunch. Okay, maybe it's some small little issue in China, softer retail. Crypto has went down quite a lot, but I asked Mark, my crypto expert. He said it's nothing compared to 1010. In 1010, it was a mega crash. Right now, it's from 100,000 to 93,000. Nah, not that big a deal. Okay, I don't know what's the number right now. Okay, for Bitcoin. And then, of course, it is. I know about $1 billion got wiped out in crypto, but these people who play crypto, you're just gambling, right? You just 难听点 deserve it. Okay, yeah. So actually, in short, no serious matter. Okay, worry. There's nothing to be that worried. Allow allow the fish to run, zzz, and then it slowly come back, zzz, come back. Okay. Now, the stock that really pull back quite a lot are the high-tech stock, Oracle, Tesla, Nvidia. So they are facing some insane valuation. Let them chill down a little bit. Let people take some unwinding. That's always better. So, but however, the AI wave is taking stronger and stronger. Every day I learn something new about AI, and AI is changing my life very positively. And every day, right, I'm just having very exciting things about AI that is going to change my life, right? So if you can change my personal life, you can change the world. So I think this is still game changer. So in short, the markets need to breathe. Let it breathe. All these short-term correction are very healthy. So you need to let the bubble let out some air before it take in more air. Okay, this is how stock market goes. No asset go up in one straight line. Pullback are what we call feature of bull run, not bugs. The pullbacks are feature of bull run, so relax. Okay, but however, there's something you need to do. I tell those people, and I'll show you one case study. It was quite interesting. When the market goes out, a lot of people join in this bull run, and the market comes down, a lot of people panic. Yeah, why? A lot of people join the bull run at the high. Why? Right? Later I'll tell you. Now, this greed and fear is the same emotion. It's the same emotion. If you have greed, you will have fear. Right? You have greed, you have fear. So So I'll tell everybody, stop looking at the stock price. Stop looking at stock price. Just live your life. Go do something else. Okay. Man, let the volatility be in favor, work in favor of you. You will work in favor of you if you don't look at it. Okay. The sunlight give you sun and it's wonderful. You will see it. But if you stare at the sun will blind your eyes. Okay. As long as you're sitting on globally diversified portfolio, and trust that the last 100 years have happened in a very powerful bull run, okay, with a lot of volatility in between, then, it's very difficult to argue that, it must stop at this bull run that lasted 100 years will stop just at your life. Okay, very difficult. So relax, okay, relax. So I think that the recovery rate is, is 100%. For sure you recover. So I don't need worry. And the bull run is currently very small, less than 2%. I wouldn't be too concerned. Okay, I want to share this case and I want to give this case study since it's in the open. So in my Telegram group, I want to share everybody. And it's no intention to make the person make a person look back, but I think it's a very important case study to stress everybody what you should or should not do. So this person whose handle is called Sheep. Okay, I don't know who is Sheep. I don't know him. I don't know her. She said, I sold my TLT and incur a loss of $1,600, parked in Nasdaq, and now and Nasdaq also dropped. Okay, then I asked him, first of all, why do you sell a TLT? Which I assume she or him, a Sheep, bought at a good price. Okay, and you actually get dividends from TLT, 4% or something like that. Okay, I can't remember how much, depending what price you buy. And you go and buy Nasdaq on the high, chasing Nasdaq. Right? Of course, when Nasdaq drop, you kanchong, right? You see, there's a lot of emotions at play. Okay. Then I asked him, why do you do that? He said, oh, don't worry, I plan to keep the Nasdaq for 10 to 15 years. You can't even handle a few 1-2% of drop. You think you can handle 10 to 15 years of volatility? So I just want to explain to everybody, a lot of people don't understand your own ability to handle volatility. And then I actually said, starting from now at all-time high, when you're going to chase your Nasdaq, okay, just questioning, have you thought through the logic of selling the asset at its cheap with high interest, which is the TLT, and then you go and buy a bubble high asset? You see, I think the bubble high asset will go higher and higher. Okay, I don't doubt that over 100 years, yes. But whether you can tahan or not is two different things. You know what I gave him? I gave him this chart, okay? Yeah, I gave him this chart. Tell me whether my AI skill is good now. Okay. So then I say this, okay? FOMO is a path to the dark side. FOMO leads to greed, greed leads to fear, fear leads to panic, panic leads to suffering. I sense a lot of FOMO in you, Sheep. Okay, that was quite cute, right? Okay, yeah, I got AI to create this Yoda chart. Okay, damn cool. Yep, and so 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 I think this is something everybody needs to know. If you are feeling fear right now, okay, if you are feeling fear right, I don't know who is Sheep, okay? If you are feeling fear and you feel greed, they are actually the two different sides of the same coin. It's the same emotion, okay? It's the same emotion. This is where I want to ask everybody this question. By the way, you all should give me a thumbs up for this Yoda picture. The one I use AI to create one, okay? So may the force be with you. Okay, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. What is the opposite of love? Okay, what is the opposite of love? Everybody, okay, what's the opposite of love? Okay, yeah, what is the opposite of love? Anyone, just write down. What's the opposite of love? Okay, come right down, right down, right down. What's the opposite of love? Okay, someone right now. What's the opposite of love? Hate. Okay, go on, go on, go on. Yeah. Okay, yes. Okay. Fear. No, opposite of love is not fear lah. Okay. Hate. Yeah. Okay. Opposite of love. Yes. I think I taught you all this before. Okay, I just want to say this. The opposite of fear, okay, is the opposite of fear is not. Okay, it's not hate. Hate. Sorry, opposite of love is not hate. Love and hate is the opposite side of the same coin. It's the same emotion. It's the same emotion. When you hate someone, it's because you love the person a lot and the person probably did something, that's why you hate the person. But it's the same feeling. The opposite of love is indifference. You got no feeling towards the person. The person doesn't matter, don't exist. Okay? So the same thing. Greed and fear, FOMO is the same feeling. If it exists in you, that you want to chase something, you feel the greed in you, you will feel fear. And trust me, okay, that chart will happen to you. Everybody, please do a screen capture of this. Do a screen capture of this picture, okay? Yeah, this picture is important. FOMO is a path to the dark side. FOMO leads to greed. Greed will lead to fear. Okay, because when stock market, you go up, you scared, go down, you scared. Then fear will ultimately lead to panic. When the stock market crash, then when you will hold on, just you cannot tahan, you sell. After you sell, the market goes up. You lost it all. Panic will lead to suffering. I see this again and again and again and again. I want to say that this pattern is very, very common. Okay, very, very common. If you are feeling panicky now and this kind of small movement, I can assure you that when the market drop, okay, I think you will panic, okay, and you will lose money for sure. Okay, train what you have here first. It's not here. It's got nothing to do with here. It's all here. It's all here. It's all here. Okay, and I'll just say this. In investment, you need to be, okay, majority in your emotions a robot, okay, and less a human. You cannot take pleasure when the market is going up. You cannot panic when the market is crashing. You got no feeling. The best investor I know is 90-10. 90% robot, 10% human. I can't do that. I can only do 70-30. Okay, sometimes 60-40, but generally I can handle 70-30. So I would just share this, that it is a very important emotion to be able to look at this whole thing as got no feeling. And let me remind everybody again, okay, if you are not a person that can have no feeling, walk away. Walk away. Don't look at the stock market. Walk away. Yeah, walk away. Don't look at the stock market. Okay, do some of the things, right? Some of your health no good. Go build up your health. Some of you overweight. Go and exercise. Some of your need to improve on your face. Go and put skincare. Okay. Some of you need to go and do some nail polish. While ladies go and do a nail polish, go and do a hair. Whatever you do, right? Don't look at the stock market. Don't look at the stock market. Okay, don't look at the stock market. Yeah, don't look. You're going to ask the ladies. The ladies are best at this. They got 150 things to do. The ladies got to take care of hair, got to take care of face. In the face, they got multiple places to take care of. To us, one face is one face. No, there's wrinkle, there's eye bags, okay? Then there's a crow feet here, okay? Then there's sunspot, there's pigmentation, there's everything. They take care of face really very well. To us, one face is one face, man, right? Okay? And then go and exercise, go and socialize with people, go and talk to your children. Go and buy Toto. Go and queue up and buy Toto and waste time while watching Toto. While queuing up for Toto, stop watching the stock market. Yeah. Okay. Go and do so many things. The ladies are all very good in this. The men are the one that's problem. Non-stop looking at the stock market after they panic and crash. I just talked to someone in the crypto space, lost so much money. I think the marriage is gone. Yeah. So I just say that please, if you want to be a good investor, train what is here first. train the heart first, not the brain. Okay, train the heart first. Yeah, go and attend Mr. So Chin Heng class. Okay, then go and start investing. You got to train your heart first. Everybody spend too much time. Mr. Lu, what stock to buy? Okay, when can buy or whatever. If I tell you can buy, the market goes down, you scared. Market goes up, you drive. Yeah. Okay. So I always say that for those people who are buying now or buying near now, why are you buying now? Why didn't you buy earlier? Because you are FOMOing. FOMO leads to greed, greed leads to fear, fear leads to suffering. Okay, it leads to panic, panic leads to suffering. Yes. Okay. So I think that's very important. I want to remind everybody that it is time to chill and cool down. Okay, chill and cool down. Okay, any question? Start asking right now. Okay, any question right now? I'm happy to share everybody. Okay, any question? Okay, yeah. Anybody wants my high energy ginseng pill can let me know. So okay, desire is the root of suffering. No, that I disagree. I disagree with that. Okay, desire is a root of innovation, root of motivation. Okay, yeah, root of love also. Everything. Okay, PIMCO still good. Yeah, well, I think some of the PIMCO bond funds I think are quite healthy. Okay, it's gone up quite a bit, but it's small gain. I think it's still healthy. Is there a best time to buy the dip? I would just say this. It takes quite some kind of effort. Okay, if you all want the ginseng pill, let me know. Okay, but I'll let you have it. You know what? B, give me the QR code. Okay, yeah. So, okay, I don't like. I will only buy. I will only buy globally diversified portfolio. I don't buy individual stock. Okay. Looks like stock market is at all-time high despite it's up and down. Better look at STI and REITs. No, I think STI doesn't compound very well. Okay. REITs is dangerous because they give out too much of a profit. How is US market going to be like next year? I don't know. I don't know. I know where I am. I don't know how to predict. I know how to hold on. And I know I can tell you 5, 10 years from now. I cannot tell you what's going to happen next year. Bond is a good buy. Global bonds, I like it more than I like global bonds more. Okay, yeah. Think for yourself. Don't be a sheep. Sheep. Oh, yeah. Actually, it's not right to call yourself a sheep. A sheep gets slaughtered. That is true. Okay. Global diversified funds are things like S&P 500, MSCI World Index, dimensional funds. Nasdaq and all these very global, spread over 100 over companies whatsoever. I have no opinion on metal and gold except that gold now is going back up again. Hey, let's take a look at the gold price. Let me see what's the gold price right now. Okay, gold price. I told everybody. Wait. Gold price. Okay, it's 4073. It's stable already. So but I would just say this. For everybody, you want to buy gold for decoration, feel good. If it goes up in the long term, you still feel good. Yeah. If it doesn't go up, at least you got wearing joy. My wife likes this. And she's been buying gold for last, 20 years. Now gold is worth a lot of money. The safest way is still topping our money to enhance retirement sum and interest. Absolutely, Chun Ping. Oh yeah, do you attend my course? That's what I'm teaching everybody. Okay, I only invest in actual cash. What's the opinion? Okay, precious metal mining. I have no idea, man. Yeah, word greed. Someone say this. Wait. Oh wow, there's so many questions. Okay. What are the things that create fear in the market right now? Going up and down, especially crashing. Okay. What the wise does in the beginning, the fools does at the end, according to some portfolio managers. That is true. Shouldn't we buy the dip now? Because you mentioned Tom Lee say that the market always real. I never say what Tom Lee say will 100% come true. Okay, what if it doesn't? Right? But however, right, some of these dips are quite healthy. I only buy during mega crashes. I don't buy I don't buy during small little dips. Okay, yeah, that's just me. Yeah. Would greed be a component of an investor who plays stock market, crypto? They want more and more. Yeah, of course, of course. Yeah, the crypto world is full of a bloodbath because everybody is charged with fear and greed. B, have you sent me? B, have you sent me? Yeah. So, the safest way to invest is topping up money. Okay, just cool and raise. I only invest. Okay, wait. I'm trying to look at it. Okay. Do you hedge? I don't. In endowers, which fund do you recommend? Oh, I only invest in a globally diversified portfolio in endowers, right? Like the S&P 500 funds and things like that. Okay. How long do you take to prepare these impressive slides? 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, very, very fast. If you want, I can show you how to do it. Okay. Would you exit after S&P 500 hit 75? I rebalance a bit. Yeah. Your ginseng is suitable for above how many years old? 12. Above 12. Yeah. Above 12, I think is okay. Yeah, yeah. If you are younger, take one. Yeah. I use this energy. Look at me right now. After this, I'm going for a 1 hour walk. Okay. What deep and MSC in endowers? So what's MSC? I don't know. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what you mean by MSC. Okay. Okay. Anyway, buy and don't look back. I'll just tell you this. I'm a person who like to buy only during crashes, mega crashes. Okay, mega crashes. Famous story in finance at Fidelity, the great retail investors have either dead or never checked their stock account for decades. Exactly. I mean, I do check, but I just don't look. I just don't how to say I just only buy during crashes. Because I set myself that rule, unless there's a mega crash, I won't buy. So I will never lose money. I will never lose money, and I will always make money because I'm very patient. Which platform do I use? I use for my CPF and SRS portfolio, I use Endowers, and for my cash, I use Standard Charter. Okay. And why do I use Standard Charter and not Tiger, Momo, and all these other guys? It's because I want to play safe. Okay. Top up ERS, your spare cash, loads of it, take back whatever. You okay anyway. Maybe it's a good time to buy BTC. I don't know. I I have a very, very good co a very good co-founder in my AI business, and he's a really good AI person. He's a big time crypto whale, big time, big time. Okay. He taught me like years since 2019 or 18. I still don't understand, so I stay out of it. Okay. What to do for 100K at this moment? Depends on your age and whether you have other things to do. If you ask me, voluntary housing refund. Voluntary housing refund. Go top up your OA. And if you haven't finished topping up your SA, go and top up your special account. Okay. Yeah. Do you have anything to make white hair black? Don't have. That I don't have. To make the hair grow, I have. To make white hair black, I don't have. Yeah. I have a I have I have a very good supplement to grow the hair, and it really works really well. Don't believe you ask Jian Ming and I grow a lot, and I know a lot of other people as well. They grow a lot, but I don't have anything that can turn white into black. Yeah, Jian Ming has a lot of white hair, but he grow a lot of white hair. But to make white hair black very easy, just dye lah. But if you don't have hair, cannot even do anything. Yeah. Okay. Okay. She will eat durian. Okay, wait. I forgot a very important thing. Yes. A very, very important thing. Yesterday at the sign up of the course, there are these. Wait. I just want to say I'm not selling any course now because that is all fully sold out already. But yesterday got people throw money at us and never tell us who you are. Okay. So if you belong to this group, this how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 person, You have sent in your money, $420. We don't know who you are. You never identify yourself. Okay, please WhatsApp this number. Okay, and let us know who you are so that we can tag you to the course. Okay, can you please give us your contact number? We don't have your contact number. We don't have contact number. Please WhatsApp Jermaine at this number. She needs your contact number. Okay, if you belong to this, you pay $420, but you don't tell us who you are. That's quite funny, right? Okay, too kanchong already. Okay, Ken. So anyway, sorry for a small commercial break. You mentioned to invest diversity. Is Endowers under flagship? No, when I say diversify, how I diversify is I put a lot of money into special account. A lot. I put a lot of money, intend to put more money into ERS. Okay, that is in 2 years' time. And I also put some money into bonds. I put some into S&P 500, some money into Nasdaq, some money into dimensional funds, some money into a lot of money into different type of business. Now my biggest portfolio is businesses, right? A lot, walao, siao, then too much already. Okay, yeah. Special account got capped, but I got a lot inside. $400,000 in my special account. Okay, the cap I managed to overtake the cap by double already. So yeah, so I think I think it's something. Okay, can share more on ERS? Sure. Okay, our just a lot of people don't understand that the CPF Life, okay, is actually meant to give you lifelong income protection, and you can. A lot of people say, Mr. Lu, you are rich, that's why you like take advantage of it. The CPF Life is okay. Let me tell you, if you are rich, you think they care about CPF Life? If you are rich, you think the rich care about CPF Life? Okay, but it is the not rich that need CPF Life. Yeah, okay, everybody got it wrong. Yes, okay. Lately, I'll get a beauty. I'll sleep at 2+o'clock. Okay. For SRS and CPF, you use Endowers, then cash I use only Standard Chartered. Yes. Worship good health. What is good health? Is okay. I want to quickly tell you this. Those people who wants our health supplement, this is my ginseng pill. It's called 四大天王. It's called GA2. Okay. Anybody who wants this, just scan this QR code to the WhatsApp. Okay, and then my colleague will help you get this. Okay, is the Shopee fees too expensive? So we are trying to sell direct rather than go through Shopee. Okay, so this is my energy powered pill. Damn freaking good. Look at myself at this hour. I just finished. I just started my course at 7:30 and talk until now. And then after I going for a walk. And today I already finished 15,000 steps. Where do you think I'll get my energy from? Okay, this one really powerful pills. Really, really powerful pills. I think I don't have finished like 7 bottles already. I'm thinking about a lovely mother cat and the 2 kittens that I sheltered a few years ago. Okay, that's great. Just pin a QR. I can pin a QR code now. Yes. Why am I so stupid now? How do I do that? Okay, I can pin the QR code. You're absolutely right. Okay, let me see how I can do that. Yeah. Okay. No. It's not so simple. I'm trying to. Okay, let me pin the QR code. Okay. Any other questions? Send in. Okay, send in so that I can help you guys. Media. Wait, I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Okay. And then downloads. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I got it up. And yes. Anybody who wants the ginseng, just scan the QR code on top. Okay. And then maybe I can further add on like wow, I can do this also. Wait, wait. Okay, now Uncle me try to learn all these things. Okay, ginseng. Okay, wait. Ginseng pills. Okay, and by the way, the hair growth one also. Look for this number. The hair growth MSN. Okay, yeah. So I just Okay. All right. And anyway, I'll just give me the. Oh man. Okay, give me a minute. This one really good for hair growth. Okay, super good. MSN Pew. Look at my hair. Super good. You don't believe, you ask Jian also. A lot of people have it. We sold this in like a lot. Super good. Okay, super good. Super good. Trust me, this really grow your hair. Okay, and then you get rid of some of your eczema issue. Okay, let's quickly. Yeah, don't buy on Shopee. Just go direct the WhatsApp. Okay, because Shopee charge a lot now. You know, Shopee nowadays, their profit a lot, right? You know where they come from? Come from people like us now. Yeah. Okay. So their fees are like, wow, like 15% or something, like some insane. Thank you. My hair look very nice, right? Yes. My hair is getting better and better. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Drink ginseng infused durian mixture. Okay, anyway. For those who have a lot of pimples, can take ginseng peel. This peel is not heaty, so maybe you start with one first and see. Yeah, but energy, like take 2 in the morning, that's enough for me. Now if not enough, take 3 in the morning. Okay, that's enough. Try not to take in the evening. Evening and night you cannot sleep. Okay, now we know where you have. Now we know we have money to buy stocks. I do business for how many years already? Yeah. Mr. Lu, for 65, voluntary top up RA for income tax relief and increased payout, is it wise to do? 65, you top up RA a bit late, okay, but still okay. But you shouldn't top up. I mean, you can top up tax refund, but I think you should quickly rush in to top up as much as possible, as early as possible. But you try to take it out only at 70, so that you let some compounding happen. The US market is improving right now, S&P 500. Yeah, and then you go up and down, and people get panicky again. What's your opinion on emerging market? I don't touch emerging market by itself, but when I buy global funds, it will naturally include China, Brazil, and India as well. Okay, higher growth, how to buy? Again, same number. You can see a ticker tape running around, then the QR code. Just scan or just take a look at it. Okay, pin the hair growth products. Yes, it's all up there. You're just WhatsApp that QR code on top or the number below for the ginseng peel or the hair growth one. The hair growth one is super good now, super good. And then this one, the ginseng one, is super vitality. Okay, what's the Singapore economic prediction next year? I think it should be quite healthy. But everything, MES Hotel, everything depends on what happened to US, the rest of the world. I drink some water. Okay, there's a big debate. 65 years old or 70 years old, take out your CPF life. This is the conclusion. Do you have a long life expectation? If you're very healthy, your fitness is good, like Mr. Lu, freaking fit, like energy high, and I know the formula to stay healthy, then go for the 71. In the long run, you will benefit. But you don't think you will live long life, okay, then take the 65 one. That's all, as simple as that. There's no debate. Government is not going to do it. Okay. Okay, so Sharon said, your family took for 2 weeks, don't feel energized. Okay, first of all, your depends on individual. If you take 2, no effect, take 3. Okay, if you take 3, no effect, then take 3. That means that 3 in the morning, 3 in the early afternoon. Okay, and see. Yeah. Oh, trust me, man. my look at my demeanor right now is all ginseng. There are days I forgot to take. The day I feel half dead. Okay. Yeah. What time going? Once I finish the live stream. Okay. Yeah. Any other question, especially for stock market and for CPF whatsoever? Let me say this again. The big debate on CPF life is a huge misunderstanding. A lot of people think that the government is going to increase the CPF withdrawal age to 70. The government is not going to do that lah. Relax. Okay. What about Premium More website? Oh, okay. So I don't know what's wrong with Premium website. You're just buy from WhatsApp now. WhatsApp easiest. Okay, WhatsApp easiest. WhatsApp easiest. Okay, just buy from WhatsApp. Okay, yeah, just buy from WhatsApp. Either the MSM Pew or the or the ginseng peel. Okay, yeah. Okay, just go straight to WhatsApp. Just tell. Got link for hair growth now using phone. No lah, nothing to scare. You see the WhatsApp number below 97806882. Just WhatsApp it. Okay, easy. Yeah, link Abi, can you put up a link, please? Wait, how to link Let me think. I don't know how to put a WhatsApp link. Okay, CPF should pay 8% for Medicare RA. No lah, too much to ask from the government. Okay, yeah. You just WhatsApp that number, okay, and get it. Yeah. Any other questions? If not, I'm going for my walk. Okay, I really enjoy a night walk. Okay, right. So last call. This is called an MSN supplement. Super good for hair, and if you have some skin allergies, like eczema, hives, or things like that, give this thing a try. It has stopped my son's hives problem. Okay, how to get into a good relationship? Wow. Okay, I know the answer. It's not about, even my wife is looking at me now. Have low expectation of each other. Have low expectation of each other. Manage your expectation. Once you're low expectation of each other, both of you will love each other for the rest of your life. Okay? Yeah. REITs is dangerous. Of course, it's dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Okay? Most of the profits are given out by law. Okay? And they keep very little for themselves. Of course, it's dangerous. Yeah. Okay? Okay. For knee stiffness, inflammation, pain. Okay. Inflammation, this is very good. Okay. But for knees, knees as in knee joint pain, okay, take GA4. It's a concoction of what is that? Can you help me? GA4. GA4 is for bones. GA4, okay, is for bones health. I take a lot of this until my hip injury is gone. Yeah, GA4. But if it's rheumatism, then they take GA3. Okay, again, text this number. They will tell you and tell me what tell the person what you want. They will give you a recommendation. I have OCBC. Watch my video today. I put up. I bought 2 lots in 2007, and then it grow to 3 lots now because of bonus share, whatever. What a waste! I should have bought 30 lots. Yes. Okay. I'm a Christian. I don't believe in other gods. Sorry. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. So thank you everybody for watching. Okay. And I will see you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. We all make money and have a good night's sleep. I'm going for my walk right now. Okay. Bye-bye.